Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am back with my October Bolzano subscription and I cannot wait. Like I've mentioned in my previous unboxings for Bolzano, this has got to be my absolute favorite subscription that I get every month. This Bolzano they are handbags, and I absolutely love them. Just like a lot of other monthly subscriptions, when you sign up, you fill out a profile and you tell them, you know, your likes and your dislikes, and then they use your profile to pick out bags to send you every month. Now, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it, and I get the subscription that includes the accessories. I love it because I get a bag and I get accessories. Sometimes those accessories are like, I remember one month I got like a little wallet, and you know, you get other things too. It brings several little accessories. Then, you know, sometimes you can get jewelry. It just varies, and it's such a nice surprise, and I absolutely love it, because what girl does not like handbags? Do you not like handbags? Let me know down in the comments if you like handbags or if you don't. Me, I am a total handbag loving girl, just like shoes. This girl can't get enough handbags or shoes. So let me know down in the comments if you're like me, and don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more unboxings like this. Every single bag that I've received from them comes in a little duster, and I absolutely love that. And it has like a little tied little tag here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this little tag. I cannot wait. I got this 2 days ago and I just hadn't had time to film it, and I'm like, no, I need to hurry up. I need to film it because I cannot wait to see what bag I got. So I love the little tag. It says Bolzano, you deserve to be spoiled, and their little website. Included, you get a little card, and on the card it tells you, meet this month's bag curated especially for you. And then let's see, it says, congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Gabriela bag especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather and has a retail value of $198. Gabriela is part of our new fall collection. It comes in plum, terracotta, butternut, and black. Here's what we love about this bag. And it says it has sturdy handles, a convenient long strap, a zippered back pocket, purse feet, top zipper closer, and inside multifunctional pockets. Now already I can tell you that I can totally see how they thought that this bag would be a good match for me. When I filled out my profile, I told them that I love my bags to have zippered back pockets. I love that they be a zippered closure, although I don't mind it if occasionally I get a bag that isn't, but I do prefer it. And I love multifunctional pockets inside my bag. You know, I always like to carry spare change outside of my wallet, and then I also like little pocket for like my cell phone and stuff like that, just so it's not like floating around inside the bag. Y'all know what I mean. So yeah, there's also a little picture of the bag there, and this one is pictured in black. I don't know what color I got, but we'll see. Okay, so my accessories look like they came in the duster outside of the bag. Sometimes they're located inside of the bag. So that's what it is. So let's break into these first, since they just happen to be right here. I am trying to see where the opening is. Okay, so first things first, there is a scarf. Very, very pretty. What do y'all think? Are you guys scarves lovers? Let me know. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. It depends. This one's super cute. I like it. So let's see what else. Also are these little, what are they? They're earrings, but what are they called? They have like little tassels. They look like little tassel earrings. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word. But anyway, let's see. Get them out. I love that they're black, which means that they can match lots of things. And that's what they look like. Cute, huh? Absolutely love them. Let's try them on. I don't have any earrings on right now, so I think that they would be good to try on. And I am very sensitive, guys, when it comes to earrings. My ears are very, very sensitive. I just can't wear any, any old earrings. What do y'all think? I think they're great length, guys. And they're very lightweight. Love it. And so I was telling you, I am very, very sensitive to earrings, and I have never had an issue with any of the earrings I have gotten from Bolzano. I've also gotten necklaces and bracelets, and I've never had any issues with those also. So I know they match my hair color, so you can't really see them with my hair, so I'm holding my hair back like that. But what do y'all think? I absolutely love them. I think they look cute. And last but certainly not least, for the accessories is this cute little cuff bracelet. I love how it comes in this little baggie here. And whenever I have these little bags for my jewelry, I tend to keep them in like that inside my little jewelry box. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys would be interested in seeing a video of my jewelry box and taking a look at everything that I have in there. So this is what that looks like. I absolutely love it, you guys. And let's try it on. I have my sweater on. It is freezing today, guys. Oh, this is very cute. What do y'all think? It is just like a slide on like that. Little cuff. I absolutely love it. Ooh, like. Love it. So that is that. I love that. And now let's look into my bag. Let's take a look at my bag. I can't wait. So, ooh, I got the butternut, which is perfect for fall. Take a look at this color, guys. It's actually not as yellow as it looks on camera, but I absolutely love it. There is the zippered back pocket. On the front, it has the little Bolzano logo. And I gotta tell you, I don't have a bag in this color, so I'm really liking that they sent this. And ooh, the pocket is nice and big, guys. I love it. This is perfect. So let's open this up. I do have my scissors here. And so it has these cute little handles, and they are like that. Hold on, let's take this plastic off of them so I can really show them off to you guys. I want to be careful because I don't want to damage the bag. I gotta tell you, I have loved every single one of the bags that they sent me. I have not had any issues with any of the bags. They have been absolutely great. And I've been receiving the subscription for a while. I only recently started sharing it with you guys. I don't know why I hadn't shared it with you guys before, because like I said, this is truly one of my favorite monthly subscriptions. So I honestly don't know why I hadn't shared it with you guys, but that is what the buckles look like. And it has this cute little Bolzano tag there that you could easily clip onto your keys. Like I did mention from the card, it is zippered at the top, so there it is closed. Let's open it up. Oh, I love it. So it does bring the long strap, and it's black, so I don't know how much you can see, but it's got a nice big size. It has a zippered inner pocket right here, and then it also has two of these like little slip-in pockets, which it's great. It is lined, like I said, it is lined in black, so I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a cute bag. Love it. It's perfect for the fall, and it's great. I have, this is not a sponsored video. I do pay for the subscription myself. However, I did score a 20% discount code for you guys. All you have to do is use the link, and I will leave it down in the description box should you want to use it. I don't get anything. I just pass on some savings